In a land where emails are plain and gray, a magic awaits to brighten your day.
Come and see.
With just one click, a secret unfolds. Halloween templates for you to behold. Designs so eerie and others so fun, your Halloween marketing is instantly done. Ghosts that'll give you a playful fright. Pumpkins that shine in the moonlight. Houses haunted, bats in flight. Cauldrons brewing in the night. Edit with ease and make it your own. With the drag and drop editor, your power is grown. Craft your spell and send it out to spook and delight the ghouls about. So this Halloween don't be mundane. Give your inbox a ghostly raid. Available now for Gmail and Outlook. Have all your recipients hauntingly shook. Download today if you dare. And let the Halloween magic fill the air. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.